It's been a busy week. I didn't make as much progress on the Barracuda as I wanted to because I serviced the Slant 6 in my daily driver. That's all and well now. She's back up and running. Now I finished stripping this door completely. I removed the chrome strip as well as the weather strips for the windows. Now I left this one in because I want to show you how to do it properly without breaking anything. Here's the strips for that door. Now this is the inner strip. It's on this side, and as you can see, the clips, if it will focus, it doesn't want to focus, but it has a little hook on it, like right there, so they latch on quite tight. But the ones on the outside, which comes here, they don't have that hook. They're just like bent slightly, so they're held there with pressure. Now what you want to do is you want to get the flattest flathead screwdriver you can get, and for the outer one you can literally just lift it up and out. You see there it hooks out. This one too, it hooks out. This one too, etc, etc. So let's just quickly finish here. Sorry for the shaky camera, it's difficult to do this alone. So yeah, as you can see, this one you literally just jam in the screwdriver. Sorry, hang on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had a little trouble doing this with one hand recording and the other one getting out, but I got it out, and as you saw, it was really simple. You just like wedge it out with a screwdriver. Now this one is a little bit more tricky. You can't just wedge in your screwdriver and tilt it out because its clips has little hooks that hold on. Now I made the mistake on this first one and it bent this piece out a little bit, so I had to bend it back in. Now what you want to do for this one that remains is we want to take a screwdriver, insert it, and look for the clips. When you find the clips, you just press on them, and while pressing on them, just twist your screwdriver and it will unlatch them. And you basically just run around the whole edge, press, twist, unlatch, press, twist, unlatch. So it's a bit difficult because you have to stick your whole arm in there, but that's basically how you remove this one. And yeah, that's it for the doors. There's something else I wanted to show you guys. I cleaned up my door cards. They're still a bit dirty. I need to wash them, but they're looking really good. As you can see, for some reason they like put some little self-tapping screws through here, presumably because the clips broke. So I'll just get a little thing to cover that up. I'll figure it out, but it's these little ones have that. This one also has it, unfortunately, as you can see. But other than that, they're in a really good shape. I'll just like replace with chrome strips because they're burst and whatever. Like I have chrome vinyl wrap, which I'll put on it. And these ones are also okay. This one, unfortunately, they also put in like self-tapping screws. I'll find something to cover these little holes up, but I'm gonna reuse these door cards. They're in really good condition. Just need to like replace this chrome vinyl on this one. As you can see, it's like cracked and stuff, but it came out pretty well. This one is in the best condition. It doesn't have any holes anywhere, just have two little bumps here, but I can flatten that out with some contact adhesive. But yeah, this one's also in a really good condition. Now I finished the door cards. So there's the old ones, all trash and broken and whatever. These little ones are the worst. Like they're completely gone. It was really hard to trace them out, but I managed. And here's the new ones. As I stated in a previous video, you use 3mm, I think 3.2mm hardboard. Works really well. When you're done, I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, there you can see it. Around all the holes and all the cuts, you want to take a little bit of wood glue and just add wood glue around the edges. It makes it really strong so that it doesn't fray anymore. So it's not necessary, it's just a little bit of a reinforcement which helps and makes it last longer. But yeah, these are really good. They're done. I just need to put it over, like the covers over them now. I don't have the little upholstery staples. They have to be like 3mm. I don't have them, and I don't have a staple gun, so I'll have to take this to someone to like put it over for me. But I already did most of the work, so it's gonna save me a lot of money. Here's his ones as well. So yeah, sorry for the little cutout. I forgot to mention, if anyone's interested, I'm gonna trace these out on paper so that I have them as templates. And if you want these made, I can make them for you, so let me know. But yeah, that's about it for the doors. Let me go show you outside what I've been busy with on the body, and yeah. Okay, so here's the body. Yeah, started stripping the paint. I'm using this product. It's called Weatherstrip. It works quite well, but yeah, just a few notes. If you are planning on stripping the paint, don't make the same mistake as I did and cover the whole surface with paint stripper and then try to strip it off, because it takes so long scraping the paint off. By the time you get to that side, it would have dried up already, so then you're gonna have to use more, or you're gonna have to struggle with semi-dry paint, which isn't ideal. And also, get yourself a scraper with a handle. It takes a lot of stress off your hands. Yeah, let me just quickly switch hands. When you scrape off the paint, don't go directly straight with it. It's gonna be really hard. You're not gonna get proper scraping or depth. What you want to do is take it, put it at an about 45-degree angle, and then pull towards yourself. Now you'll notice if you do that, it's gonna walk a bit to this side, but basically what that's gonna do is this edge is gonna like cut into the paint and just remove it easily. If you want to make your life even easier, get a file and sharpen this. It will help a lot. But yeah, that's about it. I haven't made much progress on stripping paint because it is about 3 layers of paint and 3 layers of primer and 3 layers of body putty. So yeah, it takes some time, but I think that's about it. I just know for sure I'm never opening a body shop, because this is shit. I do not enjoy doing this, but it's gonna save me a lot of money, like a lot. Usually when you take your car for a respray, the majority of the cost goes into stripping the car and removing the paint, because this is the most time intensive. If you do this, you'll save yourself a lot of money, and they can just do body prep and spray. So yeah, just suck it up, do it yourself and save some money. That's about it. I'm not gonna continue with this body now. The only reason I did is because I wasn't sure if my deal with a 68 Barracuda is gonna go through, and then this would have been my only body. But now it looks like it might go through, so I'm gonna halt this again and see if I can get the other Barracuda. But that's about it for this week. I know it's not much progress, but I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.